way to build up your collection of enamel pens. Find your designs online and create endless lapel pens to share with your friends and family or add to your favorite jacket. You will need the following materials to make your own: plastic Shrinky Dinks film, a black permanent marker, a sanding block, acrylic paint, paintbrushes, water, clear gloss sealer, tie tacks with clutch or pen backs, and a glue gun. Start by gently sanding the film and wipe off any dust. Roughing up the surface helps the paint adhere to the plastic. Next, I'll trace and paint the designs. I chose some of my favorite emojis and logos and used Photoshop to resize them to about 3 inches wide. I printed them out on regular copy paper. Now I'll place the shrink film on top of the emoji images and trace the outlines of each shape with a permanent marker. Once you have all the outlines traced, paint the designs using thinned out acrylic paint. The paint needs to be pretty thin for this to work properly. This brand of gloss allows you to keep the pigment, but also thins out the paint. Allow your emojis to dry and then cut them out. Place your cutout shapes onto a parchment paper lined baking sheet and place in a 250-degree oven. It will take about 5 minutes for your shapes to shrink completely. As they shrink, they will curl up, but will go flat again. Once they have cooled completely, you can add a thin top coat of gloss to make them shiny. A spray-on sealer could also work and does not leave streaks on the pen. After the top coat has dried, use your hot glue gun to attach the pen backs to the emoji shapes. These lapel pens could make really fun gifts and stocking stuffers in a few months. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.